Why did Tung 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 Sahur shoot his beautiful wife? Tung 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 Sahur originally could only sing alone by the sea. Back then, only Tralalero Tralala was there to accompany it. Later, it got the opportunity to step onto a giant stage and became a world-renowned superstar. At that point, it married the beautiful Miss Balerina Capuchino and gave birth to 3 children. When the story seemed so beautiful, a twist happened. Tung 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 Sahur shockingly shot his beautiful wife. Why would it do that? The police quickly arrested him, and the truth will soon come to light. No.